Hey everyone, it's Dr. Longman here. I'm an STPPS Technology Resource Teacher. I've been thinking a lot about ponds lately. Do you know what kind of animals live in a pond habitat? You do? I bet you said ducks. These are some ducks that I found in our pond. Here are some pictures of them. They were sunbathing. Aren't they cute? Now they're gonna walk back into the pond and get wet again. Now you're going to see the ducks fly away. One time we even saw an eagle by our pond. I wonder if he was hunting for some kind of animal. What kind of plants do you think live in a pond? I bet you said lily pads. There are lots of lily pads in our pond. Here's one close up. What other animals do you think live in a pond? I bet you think that there are some turtles and frogs and fish. I have an idea. Why don't I take a field trip to the pond? Do you want to come with me? Well, come on. Time to go. We actually don't have to go very far because I have a pond right in my backyard. See? We're getting close. Thanks for coming with me. It's nice to have friends take a walk with you. Do you see the geese? There's one. There's the other. Listen closely, you can hear him. There they go. Do you see all of those lily pads? That's a plant that lives in the pond. What is it called when there's a group of plants and animals that live together in the same community, in the same habitat? Kind of like a pond. That's right, it's an ecosystem. What other kind of ecosystems can you name? I drew this circle map to record all of the ecosystems that you say. Go ahead, name some. Oh wow, I heard you say pond, rainforest, grassland, tundra, river, stream, desert, and coral reef. You did a great job. Can you name any more? Thanks for joining me on my field trip to the pond. You did a great job. Remember to keep watching other videos like this so we can keep learning together. You can watch lessons daily on STPPS TV or on our website at www.stpsb.org. See you again soon.